This video is a brief introduction to the Mondor-Eagen Library and to the resources available to Anna Maria College students, staff, and faculty on campus and online. Getting to know the library's website is an essential part of using library resources. If you're on the Anna Maria College website, annamaria.edu, you can find the library through the quick links at the top of the page. The library's website is at the top of the list under Mondor-Eagen Library. The library's website is where you'll find basic information on the library itself, including location, contact information, hours, and description of holdings. It is also where you'll find access to library resources. Each icon represents a different resource or service provided by the library. The laptop icon links to our databases, or digital collections of material like articles and books. Each database must be accessed individually. There is no single search that searches all databases and their content. See our video on how to choose a database for more info. Some databases will require you to log in with your library credentials, which includes your library number and password. Your library number can be found on the back of your student ID or in your WebAMC account and begins with 20464. Your password is always your last name in all capital letters. If you have any issues logging in or need your library number, please email library@annamaria.edu for assistance. The next icon links to our YouTube channel, which contains dozens of video tutorials, including this one, on how to perform basic library tasks and processes, from general research tips to filling out library forms to searching in specific databases. Video tutorials are convenient to watch when you need some extra help. No login is required to access. The next icon links to our research guides, curated for the AMC community on a variety of topics. Common guides include About the Library, Citation Guide, Online Students Guide, Research Tips Guide, and major specific guides like Business, Criminal Justice, Education, and others. No login is required to access the research guides. The Open Book icon links to our online library catalog. The catalog lists physical and digital materials like books, DVDs, and journals available in the AMC library and in our local library consortium, CW-MARS, which includes materials from over 100 public, private, and special libraries in central and western Massachusetts. No login is required to view the catalog, but if you want to place a hold on a book or check out an ebook or audiobook, you will need to sign in with your library credentials. If you want to learn more about how to use the library catalog, please refer to our video tutorial on searching in the AMC library catalog. The envelope icon links to a form for requesting material through Interlibrary Loan. Interlibrary Loan, or ILL, allows the library to request physical books, chapters, and articles from libraries outside of the CW-MARS consortium on your behalf free of charge. This is helpful if you are looking for material that is not available through the AMC library or in the AMC databases or freely online. Once the form is filled out, it is then sent to an AMC librarian who fills the request on your behalf. See our video tutorial on Interlibrary Loan for more information. The next icon links to Journal Search, a tool for searching AMC's access to journals. Journal Search indexes journal titles and availability from our database packages so you can search in one place to see our current holdings. No login is required to search, but access to linked databases may require your library credentials. Please refer to our video tutorial on how to use Journal Search for more info. The last icon in the list is for contacting the library, which will automatically create an Outlook email to the main library account, library@annamaria.edu. If you need to contact someone specific at the library, scroll down to see a list of different staff members currently employed at the library. Thank you for watching this introduction to AMC Library Resources. If you have questions about your library account, please email the library at library@annamaria.edu. If you want to learn more about how to find materials on a specific subject, create a research strategy, troubleshoot search issues, or parse an assignment, email reference@annamaria.edu to schedule a time to meet with a librarian.